The capital murder trial of Christopher Preciado has entered its second day of testimony, but the 10 a.m. start was delayed by procedural discussions. The judge and the lawyers from both sides have been involved in discussions outside the presence of the jury. Sue Kalberg has been in the courtroom providing updates as it happens on KENS5.com. Sue, what are they talking about?
That's a really good question, Simone, because sidebars are little conversations that are held at the judge's bench without the benefit of a microphone. They're supposed to be outside the presence of the jury. As a matter of fact, we haven't even seen the jury today. But in open court, we did hear lawyers from both sides express concerns about safety and security issues related to the behavior of people in the gallery. What they said was people had been taking pictures and maybe even video of the proceedings and posting it on social media. And there is a prohibition against live streaming of this case. So the judge spoke directly to the gallery. She said, the rules are the rules, we'll have no live streaming, you can't be doing this. If you continue to do it, if we catch you, we can throw you out of this room and we can't, you may not be allowed to come back. And then she also went on to say the even bigger concern is mistrial fears, because somebody could make an allegation that the defendant couldn't get a fair trial because of this social media pressure. So they were warned about that. And then after they got past that one, the prosecutor told the family that the first person on the stand today was going to be the SAPD evidence technician who took the photographs and recorded that very disturbing images from the day the bodies were found. Now, we saw some of that yesterday. It was very hard on the family members, so the prosecutor just warned them in advance that if they couldn't feel like they could keep their emotions in check, she didn't want any outbursts. She said, if you can't control yourselves, maybe you should think about leaving the room for the duration of this very hard evidence that's about to be presented. Now, by the time we got through all of that, there were a couple more sidebars. We don't know what they talked about. But in the end, at 11:30, the judge just sent everybody to an early lunch break. But as soon as they return, as you said, we are going to be not live streaming, but we are going to be doing updates from the courtroom in real time on KENS5.com. So be sure you keep it with us throughout the duration of this proceeding. Live at the courthouse, Sue Kalberg, KENS5.